Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to set up and use Kensington Docking Station step-by-step setup tutorial for beginners. Step 1. Physical setup and connections. First, plug the provided AC power adapter into the back of the docking station and connect the other end to a wall outlet, and the dock's LED indicator light should illuminate. Then connect the primary USB-C or Thunderbolt cable from the dock to the designated host port on your laptop, which is often marked with a lightning bolt or USB-C symbol. Then use a high-quality HDMI or DisplayPort cables to connect your external monitors to the video outputs on the back of the dock, and plug your mouse, keyboard, printer, or external hard drives into the USB ports on the dock. Optionally, run an Ethernet cable from your router to the dock's RJ45 network port for a faster, more stable wired connection. Step 2. Configure displays and audio. On your Windows, right-click an empty area on your desktop, then select Display Settings, and choose Extend these displays to use multiple screens. And you can drag and drop the numbered monitor icons so the cursor naturally moves from screen to screen. On your Mac OS, go to System Settings, then go to Displays, and uncheck Mirror Displays to use extended desktops. Then arrange the screen to match your physical deck's layout. For audio setup, open your sound settings in Windows or Mac OS and change the output device to your Kensington docking station or the specific monitor model you are using. Step 3. Installing drivers and software. While basic plug and play works for many standard docks, some advanced models, particularly those using display link technology or offering quad 4K setups, require software. So download the latest drivers directly from the Kensington support site. For Mac users, utilizing Display Link may need to enable screen recording permissions in the privacy and security settings to allow the external monitors to function correctly. And Windows users can also install the DocWorks application, which provides features like MAC address ID pass-through and connection diagnostics. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.